regards to three things, beta. Three things that is very, very important. Number one, it is very, very useful for increasing and enhancing your mental ability. Second, shapes knowledge you'll be gaining, real life shapes which all you see, what things repeat again and again. That is something which forms pattern that we will be looking in. And this third, it will be very, very important for your competition exams as well. In your school exams, in most of the boards, this is asked for 4 to 6 marks. 4 to 6 marks, this will be asked. Okay, 4 to 6 marks. This will be asked in your school marks. Questions will be multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, match the following, very short answer questions, long answer questions. All of these we will be discussing. So before we start, let me show you a mind map for this. In shape patterns, this is what we are going to discuss. Take a screenshot of this mind map. Very simple, three types of patterns. Repeating shapes, color patterns, dotted patterns, and one more thing I'm going to tell you about, which is symmetry. Okay, symmetry pattern also we will be seeing today. Take a screenshot of this, everyone. Take a screenshot. After this, I'll be giving you the coins as well. Done. Done. Taken a screenshot, everyone. Then collect these coins. Tap on the screen and collect your coins. Tap and collect your. Collected the coin. Let's start with the mind map. The first thing which you need to note is repeating patterns. Note down repeating patterns in your notebook. Give the heading repeating patterns. Quickly take a screenshot. Note it down in your notebook. Repeating patterns. Patterns which repeat in predictable manner. Shapes which repeat again and again are known as repeating patterns. For example, in first over here, there are certain shapes which are repeating again and again, right? If you see circle, then triangle, then rectangle. After circle, this triangle comes again. After triangle, what will come? Again rectangle will come. Very good, everyone. Again rectangle will come. Yes. After rectangle, what will come? After rectangle, again one circle will come. Right? Clear? This is known as repeating pattern. Take a screenshot over here. Here one train is there, then car is there, train, car. Next, what will come? Train, car. Again train is there. Again car is there. After car, what will come? Correct, beta. Train will come, right? Repeats again repeats. Train, car is again and again repeating. In the top one, circle, triangle, rectangle, again and again circle, triangle, rectangle is repeating. Clear? This is the first type. Taken a screenshot here, everyone. Taken a screenshot. Done. The next type of pattern which is there. Can anyone guess the next type of pattern? I showed you the mind map as well. मैंने आपको mind map भी दिखाया था. Can you guess the next type of pattern? Can you guess? The next type of pattern is growing pattern. Growing pattern. Here. Note this down. Growing pattern are shapes or patterns which increase in size or number. They increase in size of numbers. Okay. The shape, if you see the first, you have one mango. After that, you have two mangoes. Then we have four mangoes. Then we have 8 mangoes. Right? It is increasing a double the number of mangoes we are getting, right? Very good, everyone. 16 mangoes we will have, right? 16 mangoes. This insect over here, this caterpillar, okay? One circle is there in its body. Then 3 circles are there. Then 5 circles are there. What will come next? 3 circles in its body, 5 circles in its body. Next, how many circles will come? Very good. 7 will come, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 will come in its body. Clear, everyone? So this is growing pattern. Always it increases, either double it, triple it, or add something. Clear? It will increase in size. The keyword over here is growing pattern will always increase. Understood, beta? Second type. The third type is symmetry pattern. The third type is symmetry pattern. Now, what is symmetry? Symmetry is a pattern which is seen in shapes that look same when you fold or reflect the shapes. For example, if I fold this this butterfly shape, if I fold, it will completely overlap each other, right? If I fold this, every part is same on left side also, right side. It will completely overlap. Yes. Here also, if you see this half circle, apart from the mirror in the between, when it reflected from the mirror, when this circle is reflected in the mirror, it looks like this, right? Clear? Symmetry. Same on both the sides. Same on both the sides. It looks same on both the sides. For example, if I draw one rectangle over here, if I want to draw a line up on left side and right side, both the sides it is same, how can I draw that line? I will draw that line in the middle of the rectangle, right? If I draw one line in the middle of this rectangle, on both sides of that line, the rectangle will be following symmetry rule. Yes. If I draw one line in the middle of this rectangle, on both sides of the line, red line, the rectangle is following symmetry rule. Yes or no? Now, I can also draw one line like this and it will follow the symmetry rule. Yes. I can draw one line like this in the middle also. Again, this rectangle is following the symmetry rule. Yes or no? Clear? On the left and right, it is same. It is following this rule. On the top and bottom, it is same. It is following that rule. Like this, a lot of shapes follow symmetry pattern. Note this down. Take a screenshot. On both sides of the line, and one example I'll give you for some examples. One example in real life is butterfly beta. Real life example for symmetry is butterfly. If we talk about shapes, rectangle follows symmetry. Rectangle shape follows symmetry. Square follows symmetry. A lot of shapes are there. Circle also is symmetrical. Clear, etc. Clear. Take a screenshot over here. Done. Done, everyone. Done. Yes, penguin also. Clear. Done. Now let's do some example questions. After that, we'll start with the quiz questions as well. Try, everyone. One example question on your screen. Here. What comes next in this pattern? What will come next in this pattern, beta? Next, what will come? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Option A, B, C, or D. What option should I choose? A, B, C, or D? Very good. A, right? It will come a triangle. Clear? Repeating. What type of pattern is this? This type of pattern is repeating pattern. This is a repeating pattern. Yes. Repeating pattern. What is repeating? Can you tell me in the type in the chat box? What is repeating? Circle and triangle is repeating again and again. Circle and triangle is repeating again and again. Are repeating. Yes. Clear, beta? Done. Next question. Next question on your screen. The next question here. Which pattern is a growing pattern? What is a growing pattern? Growing pattern is a pattern which increases in size or number, right? Increases in size or number. Yes. Increases in size or number. Sir, it increases in size or number. Which pattern is increasing in size or number? Correct, beta. B is the correct answer. Very good, everyone. First option, same. One circle, no pattern. Second example, one triangle, two triangle, three triangle. First one is repeating, right? First one is repeating. C is also repeating, and fourth one is also repeating, right? The growing pattern is option B. Clear? Clear? Clear, everyone? Will you be able to do some questions now? Should we start with some questions? Let us start with this quiz number 1. Very easy chapter. 4 to 6 marks you will get in your exam. If you learn very simple concept, 4 to 6 marks, easily you can score better. Time starts now. Select the correct option which will come next. This is a repeating pattern. Green, red, it is repeating. Green pot, red pot, green pot, red pot. Again, select the correct option. Repeating pattern. This is a repeating pattern. 10 more seconds. Very good, everyone. Almost 95% of you have answered. Very good, amazing. What type of pattern is this? This is a repeating pattern in which green pot and red pot is repeating again and again. This is a repeating pattern. Yes. Green pot and red pot is repeating again and again. Next, what will come? Obviously, green pot first, then red pot, right? This cannot be the answer. Clear? Option B is the correct answer. Ready for the next question? Next question, ready, everyone? Next quiz question on your screen. Complete the pattern. Identify what type of pattern is this. Papaya, apple, banana, grapes. Papaya, apple, banana, grapes. Next, which fruit will come? Your time starts now. You can see, visualize. This is another example of repeating pattern. Fruits are repeating. Papaya, apple, banana, grapes. Papaya, apple, banana, grapes. Clear? Four fruits are repeating again and again. Clear? Identified the pattern. Once we identified the pattern, it is repeating pattern. Four fruits are repeating again and again. Next, what will come? You all know. 10 more seconds. Don't worry, Shubhangi. Good, Ashmita. Try everyone. 1 second left and time's up. What is repeating? The fruits. Four fruits are repeating, sir. This is again an example of repeating pattern. Four fruits are repeating again and again. Papaya, apple, banana, grapes. Papaya, apple, banana, grapes. Again, what will come? Papaya, which is this one. Clear? Option D is the correct answer. Next question on your screen. Very good, everyone. Next quiz question. Third quiz question. What will be the next three shapes you have to tell? Next three shapes. What will be the next three shapes in order you have to tell? Will you be able to do this? Will you be able to do this? Yes or no? Yes, everyone, you will be able to do this. Should I start? For this, I'll give you extra Oda coins. Ready, everyone? Your time starts now. I will give you some time for this. Take your time, select the correct option. Almost 85% of students have answered. Very good. Other students, come on. 10 more seconds I'm giving. 7 seconds left. 5, 4. Very good, everyone. A lot of you got this correct. Almost 95% of you got this correct. Heart, heart, star. Heart, heart, star. Right? Then again, what will come? Heart, heart, and then one star will come. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Heart, heart, star. Two hearts, one star. Two hearts, one star. Two hearts and two hearts, one star. This is what type of pattern? Can you tell me? Is this a growing pattern? Is this a symmetry pattern? Or is this a repeating pattern? Which type of pattern is this? Can anyone? Repeating. Which? Yes, repeating pattern. Very good, everyone. This is a repeating. This repeats, right? Two hearts, one star is not this, not this. This is a repeating pattern. Next question. Choose the shape that completes the given pattern. According to this given pattern, what will be coming next? According to this pattern, what will come next? Your time starts now. Very good. Almost 95% students have answered. Other students, what are you doing? Select the correct option and click on submit. 10 more seconds. 5 seconds left. Time's up. What type of pattern is this? Can you tell? First, you know the answer. The correct answer is C, right? What type of pattern is this? Yeah, very good. This is a repeating pattern. First, the figure is standing, then the figure is sleeping. Again standing, again sleeping, right? But correct shape you have to select. Correct shape you have to select. Okay, do not select the wrong shape. Okay. Yes, honey. You all here is fill in the blanks type of question. Please note in your notebook a dash pattern repeats in the same sequence. What should come in this dash? What should come in this blank? Type in the chat box, everyone. Very good. Repeating. A repeating pattern repeats the same sequence. A repeating pattern repeats the same sequence. Very good. Repeating. Clear? Note this down in your notebook. Note this down. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this. Done. Very good. Done. Next example. Let's see next example now. Now we will be focusing on some short answer questions as well. Okay. Some fill in the blanks, some true or false questions I'll be telling you. I'll also be focusing on some short answer questions as well. Okay. Done everyone. Done लिख लिया ये किया कि नहीं? Let me check. Everyone is saying yes. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं someone has not noted. Mayank, Dachana, notebook. Good, good, Dachana. Pravar, very good. Krisha, notebook. Notebook, Krisha. Where's your notebook, Krisha?
Sir.
Done. Done. Shreya, done. Mayank, done. Arvi, Smith, Mihika, Shubhangi, Taran Kaur. Written everyone. Satvik, Sonik, Manish, Pratyush, Advait, Sonik. Did you join the class?
Sir, at 5:51.
First question you have a doubt. Which one, beta? This one.
Yes, sir.
This is a repeating pattern. Green, red. Green, red. What will come next? Green, red. Next, what will come, beta? Again, green, red. Again, red.
Green.
Again, green. Now, show me your notebook. Show me your notebook. What we had discussed. Have you written that or not? This
Sir,
one.
I'm lighting.
This one have you written in your notebook?
I'm lighting, sir.
Very good, beta. Right, Manish. Write this down. Now I am writing. Write it down. Done, everyone. Next question. A growing pattern dash in size, shape, or number at each step. A growing pattern dash in size, shape, or number at each step. Let's see. Very good, Ayan. Very good. Ayan Toship. Very good. Uh, who's the next one? Rishi Sharma. Correct. Srishti. Vani Garg. Correct, beta. Naksh. Mahira. Trista. This is the correct answer. Increases. Clear? A growing pattern increases in size, shape, or number at each step. For example, if I have one triangle, next time I will have two triangles, next time I will have three triangles, next time I will have four triangles. This is what a growing pattern is. Clear? What increases? Number is increasing in this case. Clear? Number is increasing in this case. Anything can increase. Size can increase, shape can increase, number can increase. Clear? Next question on your screen. Next question. Next type increases does not have any confusion, right? Increases is the best word. Clear? Next, a pattern with alternating colors is always a growing pattern. A pattern with alternating colors. Let me draw a pattern with alternating colors. First green I will draw, then red I will draw, then again I will draw green, then again I will draw red. Is this growing? Is this growing, beta? Is this growing pattern? Type in chat box. Is this growing pattern? No, na. Is this growing pattern? No. Repeating pattern. This is the repeating pattern. No. No, this is not growing. Not growing. Clear? Not growing. Clear? False. False. Clear? False. This is repeating. Clear, everyone? Clear? Now some match the following questions you all do. Some match the following questions. Try. This match the following question. Try this. Tell me, column A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A, B, C, D. 1, which should I match with? 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. What should 1 go to? 1 should go to which number? 1C, B, A, D. C, 1C. 1 correct. 1 is C. Very good, everyone. 1 is C. Symmetry in butterfly, you know, we have discussed this. 1 in C. 2, tell me what number should 2 go to? A, B or D? 2A, B or D? 2 should go to A. Just a second. 2 should go to A. Okay, beta? 2 should go to A. Done. Color pattern, which is a color pattern. Color, it is written over here. So this is a color pattern we can consider. D, 3D, and 4 is B. It's growing, right? First 1 square, then 2 square, then 3 square, and so on. This is growing. Such type of match the following question can also come for 4 marks. Clear? Very good. Four B. Clear? Next question. Try. Checkerboard pattern, Christmas tree, increasing number of shapes, rainbow colors. Column B, symmetry, repeating pattern, color pattern, growing pattern. What should it go to? 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. 1 should go to which? 1 should go to which? Checkerboard pattern. 1 is B. It repeats. Checkerboard repeats, right? Black, white, black, white, black, white. Correct. Black, then white. Checkerboard pattern, repeating pattern. Yes. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. A Christmas tree. Sorry, 2 Christmas tree. 2 should go to A. Very good. Christmas tree is symmetrical about a vertical line. If I make a vertical line on the left side, Christmas tree will look the same. On the right side also it will look the same. Christmas tree is A. Increasing number of shapes. Increasing number of shapes. Increasing number of shapes. 3. D. Very good. Increasing number of shapes is D. Rainbow colors, whipjaw. Violet, indigo, blue, whipjaw. Rainbow colors, color pattern. Color pattern. Clear, everyone? Clear? Now, very short answer question one. Let's see one very short answer question now. One very short answer question. Let's see. Draw the next figure in this pattern. So how to write the answer for this? This is a repeating pattern. Given in question, write it down with me. Given in question is a repeating pattern. Is a repeating pattern. Yes, is a repeating pattern. Correct. One circle, one square is repeating. Circle and square is repeating again and again. With rule of circle and square, repeating again and again, right? Repeating again and again, correct? Again and again, circle and square is repeating. So the next shape after circle will be circle is square. Clear? Like this, if you write and then make this circle, square, circle, what will come over here? Square, then again circle will come, and so on. Clear? Like this. Take a screenshot over here. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, everyone. Yes, Aishani, you can. Done. Next will be square, then again it will be circle. Clear? And so on. Done, everyone? Done? Done? Suprasad, quickly do this. Done? Srishti, write it down. Next is a short answer type question. Short answer type question. Next one is a short answer type question. This is the next question on your screen. Identify and describe the pattern. How will we identify the pattern? What type of pattern is? Let's solve this. Solution. What type of pattern is this? Growing pattern. Very good. Given pattern is a growing pattern. First point, right? Growing pattern. Given pattern is a growing pattern. Done. First point done. We have identified the pattern. How will we describe this pattern? How will we describe the pattern is increasing by one star at every step. Right, we have described the pattern. Now the next step is to draw and make some few next stars as well. Clear? One star, then two star, three stars. Clear? Four stars. What will come next? Five stars. Clear? Got it, everyone? Done. Take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot here. Yes, five star. To next things which will be coming in this pattern. Next number which will be coming here is five stars. Clear? Clear, beta? Clear? Now, one another type of question which can be asked is this next question. Next question on your screen. Like this and a triangle like this. Is this a symmetrical pattern? Type in the chat box. Is this a symmetrical pattern? No, this is not a symmetrical pattern. Then how will I draw this? No, this is not a symmetrical pattern. So if I draw it like this, is this a symmetrical pattern now? Is this a symmetrical pattern? Now here you see, is this a symmetrical pattern? Yes, because if I draw one line like this, triangle is like this, right? Symmetrical pattern pattern using circle and triangle is as follows. Is draw one triangle like this, below that just in the middle draw one circle, correct, and make one line in the middle also like this, clear, make one line in the middle, clear, make one line, and this line is nothing but this is known as line of symmetry. You can show it over here, line of line of symmetry, clear. Note this down with me, note this down everyone. This should be there in your notebook. 2 mark short answer question. For this, your understanding also is very, very important. Yes, you may collect some coins as well. Please tap on the screen and collect some coins as well. Note this down. Aryan, Aryan, these are the questions which are very, very important. Clear? Done? Aishwarya Mishra, is this done? Done, everyone? Now let's do some questions. Let's do some questions then. If this is done, then let's do some questions. Those who are saying no, then write it down, beta. Write it down. Sure. Done na? Chalo. Done. Done, everyone done? Everyone done this? Let me check. Let me check if you are writing it or not. Navya, Arnavi, Rachit, written? Written this in your notebook? Shreem, written? Written? Done? Done,
Sir,
Hanvi?
I'm writing it.
Okay, okay, write it down. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot here. Take a screenshot. प्राशी प्राशी लिख लिया प्राशी मोहम्मद शान हैप्पी बर्थडे मोहम्मद शान if Mohammed Shan is here, happy birthday Mohammed Shan, it's your birthday, a very happy birthday Mohammed Shan. You all can wish Mohammed Shan a very happy birthday. So let's move ahead. This is the quiz question. Try this. The sequence of figures shows a pattern. If the pattern repeats, how many bubbles will stage 6 have? Stage number 1, 1 bubble. Stage number 2, 2 bubbles. Stage number 3, 3 bubbles. Stage number 4, how many bubbles will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stage number 5, how many bubbles will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stage number 6, how many bubbles will be there? This is what question is asking. Stage number 6, how many bubbles will be there? Not in stage 4, stage 6, the question is asking. Read very carefully, everyone. Read very carefully and then only answer this. Read very, very carefully. Your time starts now. Almost 90% of you have answered this. Very good. Now we'll give you all 10 more seconds. Very good. Prashi, Shayan, Arnika, Kamal, Shrisha, Mokshit, Miraya. Good, everyone. Time's up. Time's up. Janvi, good. Stage number 6, how many bubbles will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bubbles will be there. Option A was the correct answer. Clear? One dot, two dots, three dots. Next, what will be the correct answer? How many dots? Your time starts now. Almost 90% of you have answered. Very good. Other students? 10 times up. How many dots will come over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 4 dots. Option A. Clear, everyone? Option A is the answer. Next question. A tough question. How many smileys will be there in pattern 4 and 5? This is pattern number 1. This is pattern 1. This is pattern number 2. This is pattern number 3. Pattern number 4, as well as in 5. How many smileys will be there? You can see how many smileys are there in first pattern. Can you count? How many smileys are there in first pattern? Type in the chat box. How many smileys are there in the first pattern? Type in the chat box. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smileys are there. I'll write over here. 5 smileys are there. Second pattern, how many smileys are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 smileys are there. Correct? 10, let me write over here. Third pattern, how many smileys are there? Third pattern, how many smileys are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 smileys are there. Yes. Next, how many smileys will be there? Fourth pattern. 5, 10, 15. Fourth pattern. Fifth pattern. You know what is the pattern? You understood the pattern now? समझ में आ गया pattern? Then try. Your time starts now. You have to understand what is the pattern, beta. क्या pattern है? You have to understand. आरव, आरव क्या हो गया बेटा? 10 more seconds. And your time's up, beta. Very good, everyone. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 smileys will be there, then 25 smileys will be there. Option C is the correct answer. 20, then 25. 5 table it is following. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next question. The sequence of figures shows a pattern. If the pattern repeats, how many small circles will this figure 4 have? How many circles are there in this first? How many circles are there in this first box? First figure, 1. Second figure, 3 circles. Third figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 circles. In this fourth figure, how many circles will be there? Figure number 1, 1 circle. Figure number 2, 3 circles. Then 5. The next, how many circles will be there? 10 more seconds I'll give. 1 circle, 2 circle, sorry, 3 circle, 5 circle. 1, 3, 5. Then last 10 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is 7 circles, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circles will be there. Option A7 is the correct answer. A7 is the correct answer. Next quiz question on your screen. Next question. The sequence of figures shows the pattern. If the pattern repeats, how many dots will figure 4 have? First figure, how many dots? First figure, how many dots? Tell me. Figure number 1. How many dots? Figure 2. How many dots? Figure 3, how many dots? Same way, figure 4 will have how many dots? Will you be able to do this? First figure, how many dots? 3 plus 2, 5 dots. Then how many dots, beta? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 dots. How many dots after the 3 dots? Or after this 5 dots, how many dots, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 dots. Then in the next figure, figure number 3, how many dots are there? Figure number 3, how many dots are there? In figure number 3, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 dots are there. Then after 11 dots, first 5 dots are there, then 8, then 11. 5, 8, 11. Every time 3 dots are increasing. Every time 3 dots are increasing. Yes, plus 3 dots, plus 3 dots. In the figure number 4 also 3 dots will increase. 3 dots, it is increasing. Every time 3 dots, it is increasing. First 5 dots was there, then 3 dots increased, 8 dots, again increased 3 dots, 11 dots, again increased 3 dots. What? How many dots will be there? Ten more seconds. Option A 14 was the correct answer. Next question on your screen. Next question. Complete this pattern. Try. Your time starts now. Complete this pattern. Vidisha. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is a bit tougher question. Will you be able to do this? Complete the following pattern. First, 1 down, 1 up. 2 down, 2 up, right? 1 down, 1 down, and 1 up, right? Then 2 down, 2 up, right? 2 yellow up, then 3 down, 3 down, 3 up, correct? 3 up, 3 down, 3 up. Your time starts now. Try everyone. 1 down, 1 up. 1 green down, 1 yellow up. 2 green down, 2 yellow up. 3 green down, 3 yellow. Try everyone. Very good, everyone. A lot of you are getting it correct. Amazing. 10 more seconds I will give you. 5 seconds left. Your time's up. Very good, everyone. 3 up, right? Option C is 3 up. Clear? Option C is 3 up arrows. Clear, beta? Is this clear to you all? One question, let's discuss. Small question. I'll give short answer question. Create a growing pattern using squares and circles. How will you create a growing pattern using squares and circles? Write down the solution with me, everyone, in your notebook. In your notebook, everyone, write the solution. Write the solution. Growing pattern increases. Growing pattern increases in size, shape, or number. Correct? Size, shape, or number. Let's use circles and squares to make growing pattern. Let's use circle and square to make growing pattern. Clear? How will we make growing pattern? First, I will make one circle, then one square. Then I will make two circles, two squares. Two circles, two squares. Clear? Then I'll make three circles, three squares. Clear? Got it, everyone? After this, four circles, four squares. Right? The above is a growing pattern. Right? Is a growing pattern. Clear? Both circle and square is growing. Clear? If you get a question like this, you can solve it in this way. Note this down. Note this down, everyone. One circle, one square. Two circle, two square. Three circle, three square. Four circle, four square. Clear? Done. Take a screenshot of this, everyone. Taken a screenshot, everyone. Done. Then I'll give you next quiz question then. Let's start with the next quiz question. The next question on your screen. This is the next question. Is this a man-made or a natural pattern? First of all, tell me, is this a man-made or natural pattern? Type in the chat box. Type in the chat box, is this a man-made or natural pattern? This is a man-made pattern, right? Not a natural pattern. Now, next question. Next question, beta. One square, one triangle. One square, two triangle. One square, three triangle. One square, four triangle. Next, what will be next? Your time starts now. One square, one triangle. One square, two triangle. One square, three triangle. One square, four triangle. Then one square. Identify the pattern. Very good, everyone. Almost 90% of you have answered this. Other students, 10 more seconds. 7 seconds left. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Very good, everyone. The correct answer is 1 square, 5 triangles. Option A was the correct answer. Next question. Try this. What will come in the blank squares according to the given pattern? One circle, one triangle. Two circle, one triangle. Three circle, one triangle. Four circle, one triangle. Next. After four circles, one triangle will be one circle, one triangle. Two circle, one triangle. Three circles, one triangle. Four circles, one triangle. Then try, everyone. Almost 90% of you have answered. Remaining students, 10 more seconds.